If you've been seeing ads for ForgeFjord.com offering free Viking jewelry and you're wondering whether it's actually legit or just another online scam, you're in the right place. I spent some time looking into the website, customer feedback, and a few independent review platforms, and honestly, there are several red flags you should know about before spending your money. First, ForgeFjord.com advertises free Viking jewelry, but here's the catch: you still have to pay for shipping. Now, charging shipping isn't unusual, but many customers claim the shipping costs are much higher than what the products are actually worth. That's something you should definitely keep in mind before checking out. Another thing I noticed is that the website is very new. New websites aren't automatically scams, but they don't have much of a track record either. That means it's harder to verify whether they're reliable or whether customers consistently receive what they ordered. Independent website checkers also recommend caution because of the site's young age and limited reputation. Then there are the customer reviews. Several buyers report issues like poor customer support, unanswered emails, delayed or missing deliveries, and concerns that the products appear to be inexpensive items sold elsewhere for much less. While every business can receive negative reviews, seeing so many similar complaints in such a short period is definitely worth paying attention to. I also noticed the site uses countdown timers and limited time clearance offers. These kinds of urgency tactics are common in online marketing, but they can also encourage impulse purchases without giving shoppers enough time to research the company. So, is ForgeFjord.com legit? At this point, I wouldn't call it a confirmed scam, but I also wouldn't recommend buying without doing plenty of research first. There are simply too many warning signs, including the new domain, mixed trust ratings, and growing customer complaints. My advice: if you're interested in Viking jewelry, compare prices from well-established retailers with verified customer reviews. Spending a little more with a trusted seller is often better than risking your money on a deal that seems too good to be true.